Okay, so we got this $5 deer attractant. So I think this is pretty cheap. I stopped spending money on deer attractants, but we saw this is look pretty cheap, and I never seen this one. I think this is the Walmart brand. So and it's funny. Let me see. It's called a dirt bag mud hole mud color deer attractant protein and pungent aroma. Hmm. Creates an instant mineral lick, which those have never worked for me, and then attracts and holds. And I don't know what that means. It holds for how long? Usually these things only last a couple of days. Um, it's just to establish the presence of a food source if you have a deer feeder. So I don't know. I guess it's something fun to do. So we'll just give it a try. This one has looks like salt mix is 8.5%. And sodium minerals are 3.5. Total sugars is 21%. Not much sugar there, but it has a strong molasses scent that will draw them. Okay, well, we'll go out to the feeders and we'll put it on the ground, just test it, see what it does. But I mean, I have a lot of deer coming through my feeders already, but I want to keep them there. This is just a little bit something extra. Um, Yeah, these deer attractions only work for a few days. Um, but I guess it's telling the deers there's some food. There's a food source on the ground. Although the deer will disappear around beginning of November or whenever the acorns drop, and they'll come back during mid season. So let's go check out the deer feeders. I'm going to go ahead and just open it up. No, doesn't look like molasses. It's supposed to have a dark color. What I usually do, I pour it on a piece of wood. Uh, and it smells like molasses. And I've had this pieces of wood here for a year and a half or so. They usually work. This is the feeder right here. And there's a corner in the ground. Okay, let's go to the other location. This is the other location. I got my bow hunting or crossbow hunting stand right up there. But right now, I think I need a piece of wood. This one's pretty good, I think. We're gonna put it closer to the feeder. Let's see. more wood pour in the other location. It's a little bit more. And it looks really it doesn't look thick. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but I mean, $5-6 deer attractant. I figure I'd try it just for fun to see if it works. But let's hope it does. I mean, I like to keep deer coming to my feeders. I do have a lot of deer coming through here, so uh we'll see what happens. And I will do an update later on. Thanks for watching.